So here's another super quick and delicious breakfast, especially if you have my scrambled seasoning on hand. We just add that to a mixture of some crumbled tofu, some vegan cream cheese or vegan cheese shreds of choice, some chopped up veggies. When you take this mixture, add it to a tortilla and either bake it, pan fry it. The flavors come together and it tastes like an amazing scramble. The scramble seasoning is super versatile and this mixture is super versatile as well. Just make this tofu scramble mixture and use it however you want. It is so easy and it is so delicious. So let's make these breakfast taquitos. First, we're gonna make our tofu scramble mixture. Add in green onion, peppers, spinach, or any other veggies that you want. Add some vegan cream cheese, that'll give it that softer texture. If you don't have that, you can add some non-dairy yogurt or non-dairy cream as well. Crumble up the tofu in there. Don't forget the black pepper to enhance that scramble flavor profile. Add the scramble seasoning. If you haven't yet made my scramble seasoning, you must make it because it's perfect to have it around to make a quick tofu scramble or this scramble mixture, or add it to your frittatas or omelets. It instantly adds this eggy flavor profile that will remind you of breakfast. So definitely make that scramble seasoning and keep that on hand. Press and mix so that the cream cheese mixes into the tofu really well. Add in some vegan cheddar as well to add additional flavor. And now your tofu scramble filling is ready. Just warm up some tortillas on a skillet until they are pliable. And that's starting to get super easy to fold. Add a good helping of this scramble mixture into each tortilla. Roll each of those tortillas into thin taquitos. Place them directly on a greased baking sheet or a parchment lined baking sheet. Don't forget to brush the tops with a little bit of oil. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. At about the 15-minute mark, turn them around a little bit so that they brown evenly. And take them out of the oven after another 10 minutes or so. Now these taquitos can be served with any dipping sauce of choice or just some hot sauce. Also make some salsa of choice or some pico de gallo. I took some hot sauce and mixed it with some non-dairy yogurt to make like a creamy dressing. And this delicious breakfast is ready. I mean, look at how pretty they look. And they're crispy and delicious. These are also great to pack in the lunchbox. Pack with the dip on the side and they will stay crispy for quite a bit. Oh my gosh, it's so good. If you make these taquitos or queso tacos or mini quesadillas or whatever else with the scramble, do let me know in the comments how you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, fun vegan recipes, Indian vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.